You know how David defeated Goliath?
आपको पता है दाऊद ने गोलियत को कैसे हराया?
He went back to his testimonies.
वो अपनी गवाहियों पे वापस गया.
He remembered his testimonies.
उसने अपनी गवाहियों को याद किया.
The problem is many of us have forgotten what God has done for us.
दिक्कत यह है कि हम में से बहुत लोग भूल गए परमेश्वर ने हमारे लिए क्या किया है.
When you forget the acts of God,
जब आप परमेश्वर के कामों को भूल जाते हो,
you cannot win the battles that are in front of you.
तो सामने आने वाली जो लड़ाइयां हैं उनको जीत नहीं सकते.
Because you will be uncertain. You don't know what. David was not uncertain at all.
क्योंकि आप असमंजस में होगे. दाऊद असमंजस में नहीं था.
David was not trying it out.
दाऊद ट्राई करके नहीं देख रहा था.
David was not saying, I'll go, I'll throw a stone, if not I'll run and the army you save me.
वो ये नहीं कह रहा था मैं जाऊंगा पत्थर फेंकूंगा अगर लग गया तो ठीक है नहीं तो भाग जाऊंगा मुझे बचा लेना.
Look what he says in 1 Samuel chapter 17 verses 34 to 37. Your servant used to keep his father's sheep, and when a lion or a bear came and took a lamb out of flock, I went after it and struck it and delivered the lamb from its mouth, and when it arose against me, I caught it by its beard and struck and killed it. Next verse. Your servant has killed. What is he doing? He's testifying. He's telling the king, your servant has killed both lion and bear, and this uncircumcised Philistine will be like one of them. This, what stands in my future, will be my victories in the past. I know I'm going to win in the future because I look at the victories in the past. The God who was faithful in 2025 is the God who will be faithful in 2026.
वो दाऊद ये कह रहा है वो परमेश्वर जो मेरे पीछे बीती लड़ाइयों में विश्वास योग्य था वो मेरे सामने आने वाली लड़ाई में भी विश्वास योग्य ठहरेगा. वो परमेश्वर जो 2025 में विश्वास योग्य था वो 26 में भी विश्वास योग्य ठहरेगा.
Verse 37.
37.
Moreover, David said, the Lord who delivered me from the paw of the lion and from the paw of the bear will deliver me from the hand of this Philistine. And Saul said to go, and the Lord be with you.
फिर दाऊद ने कहा यहोवा जिसने मुझे सिंह और भालू दोनों के पंजे से बचाया है वो मुझे इस फलिस्ती के हाथ से भी बचाएगा. तब शाऊल ने उससे कहा जा यहोवा तेरे साथ रहे.
See, I love about David. He is not making it about his strength. He's not, it's about me. He said, no. God who delivered me. It was God who delivered me from lion and bear. It was God. And the same God is with me today. And this Goliath who stands before me, the same God will deliver this Goliath into my hands.
दाऊद इसे अपने बल के बारे में नहीं बना रहा. वो कह रहा है वो परमेश्वर जिसने मुझे शेर और भालू के पंजे से बचा लिया वही परमेश्वर है जो मुझे इस गोलायत के हाथ से भी बचा लेगा.
That's the power of testimony.
गवाही की ये सामर्थ्य है.
Testimony imparts you strength
गवाही आपको बल देती है
to fight the battles that stand in front of you.
कि आप वो युद्ध लड़ पाएं जो आपके सामने हैं.